LWIGS. Came with a pair of lashes and a card. This is the wig. 13 by 6 lace wig. See, straight. This is the exact color. The color you're seeing on camera is the exact color. The lace is HD lace. Look at the construction of the inside. Came with some combs, adjustable strap, and inbuilt adjustable strap. The hairline came pre-plucked, and the length is 22 inches. The density of this hair is 180 density. I'm glad that for once my camera is showing the real color. How great is that? Don't need to bleach the knots of this wig because it came already bleached. You can see the color of the lace is brown. There is the back. There's a comb here as well. I like long party. When the party is so long, that's what I like. To straighten the hair, I add little oil. So I put my hair straightener on 220. Straighten the rest off camera, then I'll be right back to show you guys. So I'll cut the excess lace from it with my scissors. So I just want to use gel today. I'm using styling gel. Don't want to use hair glue. So let's use styling gel today.
All this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table round. Oh, they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. Could be good, you fade, you fade. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. Could be good, you fade, you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. The wig is from LWIGS. It is 180 density and it's 20 inches. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box and the direct link to their website on the description box as well. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.